Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you my design interactive quiz in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a 50 items test and this is very useful if you're going to review your students for a quiz or an exam. You can edit this one. This is fully editable. You can change the questions and you can change the choices. So this is a multiple choice type of test. Okay, so just simply click the slideshow. You can download this one for free. You can click the link below this video to download this one for free. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this ones. Okay, so these are the numbers for an item test. Okay, so for example, you're going to answer number 1. Just simply select or click number 1. Okay, then that will display a question. So you can edit the questions and you can edit also the choices for this template. Okay, so for instance, which of the following is the first boot key for a Kobe laptop? For example, you're going to answer F2. It will actually prompt you that this is a wrong answer. Okay, so for instance, okay, if you select the correct answer by clicking, it will actually prompt you that your answer is correct. Okay, so for C, when you click letter D, okay, so meaning I have already assigned letter B as your correct answer. So if you're going to edit the question, you make sure that the correct answer you assigned is letter B for number 1. Okay, so for instance, if you're going to click home, it will go back to the home slide. Okay, so if you want to proceed to the next question for number 2, you just simply click and then you can answer the questions or you can edit this one. So for instance, the question goes, which of the following is the first boot key for an HP compact 6300 desktop computer? So for example, you're going to answer F2, wrong answer, F10, wrong answer, F12, wrong answer. So the correct answer is letter A. So for number 2, I have assigned letter A as the correct answer. So with this template, I have already assigned letter A as the correct answer, letter B, letter C, and letter D. So you just simply duplicate the slide if you want to assign for letter A as the correct answer, for letter B, letter C, and letter D. So I have completely assigned all the letters from A to D as the correct answer. So you simply select the correct slide for that if you want to assign a correct answer for that number. Okay, so for instance, if you're going to click next question, clicking this one, it will display to the next question, number 3. Okay, so for instance, why you should reformat your hard drive and reinstall Windows operating system? So these are the choices. So actually all these are correct. So when you click all of the mentioned, this is actually letter D is the correct answer for this number. Okay, so just simply you can edit these questions and choices. Okay, so if you want to click home, it will go back to the home page. So if you click 50, it will go to 50. So no question, you can actually create your own question for this template, and you can reshuffle the questions. So for example, you click escape, you can actually reshuffle or reassign the sequence of numbering in your questionnaire. So for example, your number 1, you can simply drag it here, it will move to slide number 3, your number 1. See, number 2, number 3, number 1. So meaning you can reshuffle your questionnaire. So and you just simply edit the number and the questions. Okay, so that's all I have to you today, and thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to SaarTech if you want another templates or video tutorials in my channel. Thank you.